Hello, today I'm in Fort Edge. In this video I'll show you how to perform sync installation. In the beginning, let's take a look at the screen display and go to menu. Enter sync settings and select install on sync. Press yes.
The installation file cannot be found. Please check that the installation file is in the root directory of your storage device, and that the storage device is properly inserted.
And that's it. Of course, if you want to install anything on sync, for some applications or something like this, you have to connect your USB pen drive to the car with the installation file on it. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.